Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to add pagination in Laravel application. If you are using core PHP, then it will be much difficult to add pagination in your application. But if you are using Laravel, then it is much easier. So let me go here and let me show you what I did right now. So you can see that simply I use the user model and select all the columns. Then I simply get, that means all the data from the database, I just fetch it. Okay, and you can see that list of all the users are displayed here. So right now I want to add pagination by per page 10 records. Okay, so let me go here, and instead of get method we will use paginate method. Paginate method will help to add pagination, and as an argument you need to give number of records. So I will add like 5 records for now. So if I save it, okay, and simply go here, and if I refresh it, you can see that like 1 2 7 9 10, you can see that only 5 users are listing here. Now let me go here and add the pagination like 1 2 3 4 5 6. So let me go here, and after table finished I will use users, and then I will say links and simply save it. And if I refresh it, you can see that pagination are coming like previous and next, but you can see that like icon and all, because of I am using bootstrap 5. By default Laravel supported tailwind css, but right now I'm using bootstrap 5. So let me also add that thing. So if I go here, I just need to add pagination, and there will be a like bootstrap 5. And if I simply save it, if I go here and if I refresh it, you can see that it much more perfect design. So if I go here, second page, third page, fourth page, you can see that it's working perfectly fine, this pagination. You don't have to do so much thing. You can see if I go to the second page, you can see page equal to 2. If I click here, you can see that. So I hope guys this video helps you, and thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe me. Thank you so much for watching.